Hello and welcome back to ScaleMeDown. We're here today at Dove Valley Flyers to put the second, third and fourth flights on this Mick Reeves quarter scale Spitfire now that we've got the landing gear problem sorted out. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. This model is of a Spitfire Mk IXc to 25% scale. It was built by Phil Anderson and is electric powered from a 12S 2P 10,000 mAh system, comfortably giving 8 to 10 minutes of warbird style flying. This aeroplane is still very new to me, but since owning her I've changed a landing gear motor and microswitch, and I've mixed a little right rudder with throttle and a bit of elevator with flap, and I'm slowly getting more comfortable with flying her. The landing gear is actually very rugged and is the Mick Reeves homegrown system, which uses MFA Como drills, brushed motors and a series of microswitches. Unusually, it's controlled from a 3-position switch on the transmitter to allow up, down and off settings, mimicking the operation of the full-size Spitfire. I think that the 26x10 carbon fibre propeller that it's currently fitted with might be too fine, as it feels like it's limiting the aeroplane's forward speed and energy retention. The model is powered by a Turnigy Rotomax 100cc brushless motor in direct drive, and it has a very low kV of 167. Turnigy states that this motor should turn a 26x10 up to a 27x12 propeller and is capable of running 175 amps at 7,100 watts, providing 17.5 kilograms of static thrust. Now my watt meter won't handle these large power draws to find out, but I think a 26x12 propeller might suit the model better. As after 10 minutes with mixed throttle use flying like this, the motor is barely warm to the touch after landing, although there's 2 kilograms of metal in the motor to cool down, so it does take a while. another flight safely under her belt. As we had great weather and we were enjoying great company, we got a couple of flights in at Dove Valley Flyers. And we also put one at our local field at Kilton. I'll put a link up here for that flight. I'm really enjoying flying this lovely aeroplane, and I hope you enjoyed our little video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you here next time at Scale Me Down.